I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to self-study mathematics step by step. Start by defining clear goals and choosing approachable resources for your level. Set a realistic weekly schedule with short focus sessions and include time for problem solving. Emphasize understanding over memorization by explaining solutions aloud and writing concise summaries. Regularly review errors, adjust priorities, and celebrate small milestones to keep momentum and motivation alive. Use active methods like solving varied problems and testing yourself under timed conditions to build skill. Alternate between concept review and problem practice, and use spaced repetition for formulas and techniques. Keep a running error log to revisit misunderstandings and transform mistakes into learning opportunities. Teach concepts to an imaginary student or record brief explanations to solidify comprehension and expose gaps you can target in future sessions. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping for effortless tidy spaces while you study. I love how it frees up time for focused problem solving and gives me one less chore to worry about. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Pick one main textbook and a complementary problem book to avoid resource overload and ensure depth. Supplement with flashcards for key definitions and a simple timer for focused study blocks. Use an error notebook to catalog recurring issues and track progress. Engage occasionally with peers or online communities for feedback and fresh problems, and rotate topics every few weeks to maintain variety and prevent stagnation in your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.